Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am showing you an incredible setup that will completely transform your streaming experience. Imagine unlocking an amazing new app repository on your device that lets you stream brand new movies and TV shows completely free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just endless entertainment right at your fingertips. In this video, I am going to give you a quick, step-by-step installation guide that takes just a few minutes to get everything up and running. Trust me, if you want the ultimate setup for your television, you do not want to miss this. Check this out, it is an absolute game changer for your home theater. You are watching TechVibes. Before we dive into the core steps, let us talk about keeping your device safe and unrestricted. To ensure all your newly sideloaded apps run smoothly and securely, make sure to use NordVPN. It bypasses internet throttling and keeps your connection private. You can grab the NordVPN installation link right now in the description and comments below. Let us get straight to the solution. Here is how to unleash the full power of your device. Step 1. Enable developer options on your box. Grab your remote control and navigate straight to the settings icon on your home screen. Click on System, then click on the About section. Scroll down until you highlight the Android TV OS build option. Click on this build number exactly 7 times. A notification will pop up on your screen saying you are now a developer. This opens up the hidden menus we need. Step 2. Allow installation from unknown sources. Press the back button once to return to the system menu. Look for the brand new option called Developer Options and click on it. Find the setting that says Install Unknown Apps and open it. Toggle the switch to turn on permissions for your file manager and browser. This is a no-brainer step that allows you to add custom software later. Step 3. Install the downloader application. Go back to your main home screen and launch the official Google Play Store. Go to the search bar and type in Downloader. Look for the official app with the orange icon developed by AFTV News. Click Install and wait a few seconds for it to add to your device. Launch the app and click Allow when it prompts you for media storage permissions. Step 4. Access the ultimate Troy Point toolbox. Inside the Downloader app, click on the main address bar to bring up the on-screen keyboard. Type in the official short code 250943 and hit Go. This specialized code will instantly redirect your browser to the legendary Troy Point Toolbox page. This page is super snappy and acts as a one-stop shop for the absolute best streaming applications available today. Step 5. Download your favorite streaming applications. Once the page loads up, use your remote directional pad to scroll through the curated list of software. Find the top-rated apps for free movies and television shows like Kodi, Stremio, or Cyberflix. Click on the download button next to your chosen app. Downloader will fetch the setup file immediately. Step 6. Execute the file installation. As soon as the download finishes, a system window will automatically pop up on your screen. It will ask if you want to install the application. Click the Install button at the bottom right corner. Once it finishes, do not click Open just yet. Click Done instead so we can clean up the system storage. Step 7. Delete the installer files to save space. After clicking Done, Downloader will give you an option to delete the installer file. Click Delete, then click Delete a second time to confirm. These installation files are no longer needed once the app is running. Deleting them is essential to keep your internal storage clean and fast. Here's a quick bonus tip for your setup. If you use an external flash drive with an OTG cable, you can expand your storage significantly. Inside your developer options, scroll all the way to the bottom and look for the option that says Force Allow Apps on External Storage. Turn this switch on. This hidden trick lets you move large streaming applications directly onto your USB drive, so your device never slows down. If you face any difficulty with these steps, just drop a comment right below this video. I check my comments constantly and I will reply within 1 hour to help you solve it. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes for more high-energy tech tutorials. Rest assured, you can easily master this setup and enjoy your favorite media in no time. See you in the next one.